Hey, I'm John, and today we're diving into some hidden features in Tesla models that even most Tesla owners don't know exist. Think you know your Tesla inside out? Well, you're in for some surprises. Stick around because there's one feature I guarantee you've never seen before, and it might change the way you look at your Tesla forever. First up, did you know your Tesla has a secret parking brake? Most people assume the park mode on their Tesla automatically engages all the brakes. But here's the twist. There's actually an extra manual brake you can activate for even more stability. All you have to do is hold down the park button for a few extra seconds, and you'll hear a distinct mechanical sound. That's the hidden brake, engaging. This is especially handy when parked on steep slopes. But that's just scratching the surface. Now, what if I told you your Tesla could help you keep your groceries fresh on a hot day? That's right. Your car isn't just a high-tech vehicle, it's a portable refrigerator too. Tesla's camp mode not only keeps the cabin cool, but it actively maintains airflow to prevent your food from spoiling. Just activate camp mode from your climate controls, and your car transforms into a mobile cooler. Pretty neat, huh? But wait. There's another hidden mode that Tesla doesn't openly advertise, and it could potentially save your life in an emergency. Picture this. You're stuck in snow or mud, your wheels spinning helplessly. Most drivers panic, not knowing their Tesla has a secret off-road assistance mode. By tapping controls, then pedals and steering, and selecting slip start, your car reduces traction control, allowing you to rock back and forth gently to free yourself. It's a hidden gem that could get you out of tough situations without calling for help. But hold tight. What if I told you your Tesla can also automatically remember tricky parking spots? If you're like me, you've probably had those moments of anxiety parking in tight spaces. Here's something incredible. Your Tesla remembers exactly how to navigate complex parking routes. Once you've parked somewhere challenging, simply tap the screen and select Save Parking Location. Next time you arrive at the same location, your Tesla will guide itself into the exact spot, replicating your previous maneuvers flawlessly. Impressive, right? But that's just the beginning, because Tesla has a few other tricks up its sleeve that make driving safer and more comfortable. Ever had trouble adjusting your mirrors precisely, especially when switching between drivers? Tesla has an elegant solution hidden away. When adjusting mirrors, you usually tap on-screen controls. But if you physically move your seat after adjusting mirrors, your Tesla quietly remembers that precise adjustment linked to your seating position. Next time someone else drives and moves your seat, the moment you reposition it, your mirrors automatically return to the perfect alignment. It's like magic, and most people have no idea it's even happening. Speaking of comfort, how would you like a personal assistant built into your car? Believe it or not, Tesla's voice commands go far beyond the basics. We all know you can control navigation or music with your voice, but your Tesla understands surprisingly detailed commands. You can say things like open the glove box, fold mirrors, or even turn on seat heaters. These hands-free commands let you keep your eyes safely on the road, making your driving experience smoother and safer. But there's more. Have you heard about Tesla's hidden emergency feature? Imagine you're stranded, your phone is dead, and you urgently need help. Tesla's cars secretly store a built-in emergency contact number within the infotainment system. By tapping the Tesla icon on your screen and holding it down for 10 seconds, you access an emergency call button, connecting you directly to roadside assistance, even without a working cell phone. This hidden feature ensures you're never truly alone during emergencies. But Tesla hasn't stopped there. There's another lesser-known feature that might just amaze you. Ever wonder how efficiently your Tesla battery is performing? There's a secret diagnostics mode that gives detailed battery performance data. By pressing and holding both scroll buttons on your steering wheel simultaneously for about 10 seconds, your screen refreshes to reveal hidden battery metrics, health indicators, and efficiency reports. Knowing these details helps you optimize battery usage and longevity, saving you potential costly repairs in the future. All these hidden features truly show how Tesla has packed more into your car than meets the eye. But guess what? We haven't even reached the most surprising feature yet. Coming up next, I'll reveal a secret Tesla feature that could completely transform how you drive every single day. And trust me, you won't believe how simple it is to activate. Here's something most Tesla drivers completely overlook. Did you know your Tesla has a hidden easy entry mode? Now, you might think you've heard of this already, but what I'm talking about is more than just seat movement. Your Tesla can automatically raise the steering wheel and move your seat back when you park, making entering and exiting your vehicle incredibly comfortable. To activate this, go into your driver profile settings and simply enable easy entry. Next time you stop and park, you'll notice a smoother, more spacious exit. But hold on, have you ever wished your Tesla could actually prevent curb rash on your wheels? We've all been there. Pulling up to a curb and worrying about scraping those beautiful rims. Here's the great news. Tesla quietly included a hidden curb protection feature. It's built into your side cameras and proximity sensors. Just head to Controls, select Autopilot, and enable Side Collision Warning. Now your Tesla will alert you whenever your wheels are dangerously close to curbs, saving you from those frustrating and costly repairs. It's a small setting with massive benefits. And speaking of protecting your investment, have you ever parked somewhere sketchy and worried about security? Tesla's Sentry Mode isn't exactly a secret, but there's an underrated hidden feature within it that can increase security dramatically. Did you know you can instantly trigger recordings by simply honking your horn? To activate it, make sure Sentry Mode is enabled, then tap Controls, Safety and Security, and toggle Save Clips on Honk. Now, if something suspicious happens, just honk your horn, and your Tesla automatically records and saves footage from all cameras, providing peace of mind in any situation. But Tesla hasn't stopped innovating there. What if I told you your Tesla could effortlessly adapt to road conditions in real time to give you the smoothest drive possible? Hidden in your settings is an advanced adaptive suspension feature, and most drivers don't even realize it exists. Available in models equipped with air suspension, just navigate to Suspension Settings and enable Adaptive Suspension Damping. This incredible feature automatically adjusts suspension stiffness based on road conditions, creating an unmatched smooth and stable ride every single time. Here's another little-known tip. Your Tesla comes with an invisible valet mode that ensures your car remains safe even when driven by others. Simply tap your profile name and select valet mode, and your Tesla limits acceleration, top speed, and even locks sensitive information such as home addresses and previous destinations. It's like having a secure, invisible guard for your car whenever someone else drives it. And finally, here's the hidden Tesla feature I promised earlier, the one that could completely change your driving experience. Did you know your Tesla has a Joe mode? Yes, that's his actual name. By going into Controls, Safety, and Security and enabling Joe mode, your car significantly lowers the volume of alert chimes and notifications. This subtle feature is perfect if you have kids sleeping in the car or passengers who prefer quiet journeys. You won't realize how much you've needed Joe mode until you experience a peaceful, chime-free ride. Trust me, it's life-changing. Tesla's hidden features truly elevate the driving experience, proving there's always something new to discover, no matter how long you've had your car. Which feature surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you enjoyed these insider tips, make sure you share them with fellow Tesla enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Thanks.